In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up email campaign in system.io. This is our quiz page. When someone enters their first name and email address and click the button, they will automatically subscribe to this campaign and receive these emails into their inbox automatically. Here you can see, after subscribing to the campaign, they will receive the first email after delaying 2 minutes, and other 4 emails they will receive in the next 4 days. Now let's test it to see is it successfully working or not. So I'll come to the quiz page and fill these details and click the button. Now it will redirect us to our next step and we will receive the emails in just 2 minutes. So I will open my Gmail and wait 2 minutes and reload the page, and see here we receive our first email from the campaign. So the email campaign and the automations are successfully working. Now let's see how you can create your email campaign and set the automation rules. But before creating the campaign, you must have to create your quiz page or opt-in page. Then come here, emails, click campaigns. Now here you can see I have already created one email campaigns. To create a new one, just click create. Now type your campaign name and choose your sender email address, and you can also write the descriptions if you want. Then click save and your campaign will be created. Here you can see I can create a new campaign. It's because currently this system.io account is on the free plan, and on the free plan we can create only one email campaign. If we want to create more campaigns, then we must need to upgrade our plan. Now if you're also using the free plan and you want to upgrade your plan, then you can use our affiliate links to get 40% off. I think it's your first email campaign, so you will not see this error. You will see your campaign is created like this way. So just click the campaigns and see here I've already created 5 emails and automate those emails. In your campaign, you will see nothing because you didn't create any emails yet. To create your emails, just click create, type your email subject, select your sender name and select your sender email address and choose classic editor and click save. Now here we need to write our email. So I will just paste my email and here I need to add an substitute. So I will just delete this part and I will click over here and I will choose the first name substitute over here. So it will automatically add the first name of our subscriber. Then our email is done. So here's the sender name and here's the sender email address. Now just click here and click save and publish. Then you will see an pop-up like this. Now here this email will send after. Okay, so I have already created 5 emails. So after the 5th email, I want to send the 6th emails. So I will select this one and delay before sending these emails. After sending the last emails, it will take 1 day. Then this email will be sent. So I will just make it 1. That's it. And then if you want to time when email be sent. If you want to send an email to an exact time, then you can use this feature. And if you want to send emails on multiple days, then you can also use these features. So for now I don't need this kind of things, so I will just make it 2 days. So after sending our 5th email, the 6th emails will be sent 2 days later. Then I will just click activate, or I can make it 2 days. Now in your case, this is your first email, so you want to send the first email as soon as possible. So you will see nothing here because you haven't created any emails, and then you need to set your times. Let's say you want to send your first email after delaying 5 minutes. When someone subscribes to your email campaign, they will just wait 5 minutes and they will just receive your first mail. So you just need to select first mail, and this way just click activate, then it will be activated. So I will just make it 5 days and I will just click activate, and our email will be activated. Now click save and click come over here and see this is our 6th email is over here. So this way you just need to create another emails, then just select the same way, or what you can do, you can just duplicate this one, and then just change the subject and then change the body. Then from here just click save and publish, and here you need to select the first one. Let's say this is the first email. This is the email we just created. So here you can see select your first email. So you need to select the first email. Then you need to select your delay time. So let's say you created your first email. Then you want to send the second email 1 day later. So you will just select 1 day. But if you want to send the second emails 30 minutes later, then just select 30, and from here just select minutes. Then the second email will be sent to your subscriber list after sending the first email they will wait 30 minutes, then it will send the second email. So this way, just click activate and the second emails will also be activated. So I don't need these two, so I'll just delete this to one. Now we just need to connect these campaigns with our squeeze page. So to do that, just click here website and click sales funnels, and see this is our funnels where we have created the squeeze page. So here's just come to this automation rules, then click here add rule, then click trigger. So from here just click here and click funnel step from subscribed. So whenever someone subscribed from this squeeze page, they will gotten trigger, and the action is will be subscribe to a campaign. And here I will just select the campaigns and we will just click save rule. Now if you don't connect your custom domain like this way and don't verify your business emails with this system.io platform, then you can't able to create email campaigns and send emails. So for that you must connect your domains and verify your email address with the system.io platform. And if you need my help for setting up everything, then you can message me on this WhatsApp number and mention that you come from this video. So that's it for this particular video. I hope you guys learned something new. Thank you for watching and keep watching our videos.